Today we are going to talk about the stock Android and custom UI. We know that Android is developed by Google and this is called stock Android, but some of the most famous mobile phone companies modify the Android and make so much changes, and the modified Android is called custom UI. Many companies modify Android and install this on their phones. The main reason behind the modification is that the Android is a free source operating system and anyone can use this for free. So we know that now many smartphones have the Android operating system, and the companies customize this operating system to make this different from the others. But if they want to install the Google apps like Google Play Store and Google Play services on the Android, so they have to give the royalty to Google, and the Google earns from the royalty. After giving the royalty to the Google, the smartphone company have to permission to change the setting on Android, and they customize Android to insert extra features on it. Sometime we explore many features on the custom UI which are not present on the stock Android. The extra features provide a different user's experience to the use of the custom UI is a different shading factor to make the Android different from the stock Android. If we talk about the extra features, so we can see a best theme selection option on the Xiaomi MIUI, and on the Samsung we see the split screen feature which is introduced so many years ago, but in Android this feature is introduced after the release of Android 7.0 Nougat. In custom UI we have all the access to change the themes, icons and the individual fonts. We can also change all these settings on the stock Android, but we need to install extra apps to change these settings. But in the custom UI we can change this setting directly. The custom UI also help us to change internal setting like the AMINATION speed. The RAM speed is also customized on the custom UI. They also change the RAM management system so we can start the apps quickly, and it also help the system to run smoothly. If we use the stock Android, so we can get all the latest updates, but if we use the custom UI, so we only get the UI updates and not all the Android updates. If we use the Android instead of custom UI, so we have the permission to update the version, but in the custom UI we only have the permission to update the UI only, not the whole Android.